doubt about it is an option?
Preferably, I'd like to make it everything pan-India, because not just about pan-India, I'm saying why are you even restricted to that? You know, maybe somebody else wants to watch it, people in other countries, maybe Sri Lanka, neighboring countries, Pakistan, other countries want to watch it. We don't know, language is no barrier for cinema, so I think we should just go for, I would say more than pan-India, I would say we should go for a multi-language release and see how far we can go in cinema. Thank you, sir.
Your center,
जूम करना इसको।
आप दोनों से सवाल है मेरा, राहुल हियर फ्रॉम द फिल्मी चर्चा। योर सेंटर टाइटल बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग है, ट्रेलर भी काफी प्रॉमिसिंग है। ऑल द बेस्ट आप लोगों को मूवीज के लिए। और टाइटल पुष्पा नाम सुन के एक ही चीज जहन में आती है, वो आइकॉनिक डायलॉग राजेश खन्ना सर की, पुष्पा हेड टीयर्स, तुम्हारी आंखों में आंसू नहीं देख सकते। तो क्या आप लोग आप दोनों हिंदी मूवीज में किस तरह के रहे हैं? आप लोग हिंदी एज एन ऑडियंस आप देखते थे हिंदी मूवीज? आप दोनों
watch so many Hindi movies. What do you say?
किस तरह की मूवीज आप देख रहे हो? राजेश खन्ना सर की मूवीज?
As in, I was an audience before entering to the industry. I'm going to the theatre, watching the happening films coming back, and also I was in a hostel. So for us, the movies not of our choice, but our choices were played. So we had no other options but to watch the films that were played. But yes, now that I'm in the industry, I think I'm watching a lot more films. Lot more technically and lot more personally, but yeah, let's say balanced, managed watching enough films.
So from childhood, we always watch a lot of, obviously because I'm multi-cultural into films, we also started watching Maratha films, Bengali films, Hindi cinema. Hindi cinema has definitely made a huge impact on us. Like time and again, just like how we always watch movies, we grew up watching all these movies, so it's a part of our life. And of course, we watch all movies. Of course, movies. And I personally adore this cinema a lot.
अभी आपने
हाँ, साउथ में आके प्रमोट करके, डब करके, सब एक्टर्स they all do phenomenal. Each genre में बहुत अच्छे पिक्चर्स करते हैं सब लोग। हम सबको स्वागत करते हैं।
नहीं, आप पर्सनली अगर आपको करना हो तो आप कौन से एक्टर की और कौन सी बॉलीवुड की फिल्म का रीमेक करना चाहेंगे?
रीमेक?
यू पर्सनली?
मैं अब तक रीमेक नहीं किया मैडम, मुझे डर लगता है। मुझे डर लगता है तो थोड़ा रीमेक करने में, अब तक नहीं किया। नहीं बोल रहा हूँ मैं नहीं करूँगा, अब तक नहीं किया और मुझे थोड़ा डर भी है करने के लिए, इसलिए मैं थोड़ा रीमेक्स के से थोड़ा दूर रहता हूँ।
मतलब मैंने ऐसे पूछा कि अल्लू अर्जुन एक्टर साउथ के एक्टर है, तो मुझे किसी ने कहा कि वो साउथ के सलमान खान है। तो मुझे ये सलमान खान आपको कितने पसंद है और बॉलीवुड का कौन सा एक्टर है जो आपको इंस्पायर करता है सबसे ज्यादा?
मैडम मुझे सबसे ज्यादा अमिताभ जी से इंस्पायर करता है, क्योंकि लॉन्ग स्पैन ऑफ करियर है ना, from so many years. I'll say this in English to be a little more comfortable.
It's okay, yeah.
I absolutely adore the megastar of the country, Amitabh ji. Because we've grown up, watching his films and everything. It's got a lot of impact on us in the growing years. So, in one word, if I have to say, I'll say I'm a huge ardent fan of Amitabh ji. And even till date, at the age, such a big age also, I keep thinking, even if I get really old, I should still be acting like how graceful Amitabh ji is today. In a way, that's why I keep thinking, if you're 60, 70, 80, you should still you should work as beautifully as Amitabh ji does.
और अल्लू अर्जुन बोला कि ये फिल्म करने में आपको 4 फिल्मों के जितना मेहनत करनी पड़ी, तो सबसे टफ क्या था पुष्पा में?
You're very mature for your age. I appreciate it. It's a very wonderful question to ask, by the way. You should see cinema, how it's running, how the trends have been running the last 10 years, like in the 2000s. It's a very clear gap between the South cinema and North cinema. Let's be honest about it. And then if you see the entire 2010s, the bridges, the beautiful bridges, thanks to people like Manish ji, who have bridged those gaps. And now everybody's getting familiar with each other's cinema. And I'm telling you, from the next decade onwards, from the 2020s, the lines will be so blurry that it will not matter where it comes from. It is only the content that will matter. There will not be South actors, North actors. It will all be about Indian cinema growing. And I'm telling you, with wonderful platforms that are open like OTTs, there's so many set of new filmmakers, directors, actors, technicians. You know, this has opened up amazing horizons for us in entertainment industry. And we as Indian entertainment industry, not just cinema, we as Indian entertainment industry are going to be a very huge, or probably the biggest players in the next decade. And I'm very positive as a country we will go up. Thank you.
Rashmika, one last question. Yeah?
I also have one question for Rashmika, small one. So Rashmika, you know your movies, Hindi movies are also releasing, and there is a pan-India approach to all the films that you've done, whether it's Geeta Govindam also and Dear Comrade, which people have watched. How do you see, I have met people who are from South, now that we're meeting quite often. There's a sense of warmth, and there's a sense of imagery on screen. And it's very different, How do you see those two worlds mixing when you do films like this?
As in, I think for us, for me, I can speak only for myself, and for me, as much of fame and the glamour there is out there, for me, it's me doing good work and good content, and me doing the best I can in a film that I'm a part of. Me playing Shrivali, I can't believe that I did some character like this, and it's so special. And I think this film is my career's biggest film. And I've done the best I could do in this film. So for me, when I choose characters, when I work in a different industry, I'm just doing the best I can at that point of time. I don't look at, oh my God, this is happening, that is happening, this I'll be seeing, like that I'll be seeing. It's not that. For me, it's my characters, it's my game, it's my play area, so I'll do so.
All the best, actually.
You're right. Up to your right.
नहीं है अलू सर first of all the best for this fabulous movie. DSP ji at an event yesterday at Chennai told that you will win national award for this. What is your comment on that?
How can I comment about my own performance? I think I can't comment on my performance. It will come across very wrong. I really wish tomorrow it touches more than awards. Awards is something that comes later, and I do like awards. I will not lie about it. Awards is I'd say it's stage 2. What is stage? Where I'm at stage 1. We're going to enter stage 1 when people are going to watch the movie. People have to like it, and I'm very curious about how people are going to receive this film in different languages and different audiences and different places of the country. I really genuinely wish they all like our performances. I've tried to do something new when it comes to performance. This movie is also about focus on a lot of performances. I hope tomorrow people appreciate that. That is the first part. And if people like it and everybody likes it, and if I'm blessed, I'd be so grateful.
Can I say something
Yeah.
because you brought this topic up? Because I always believe in the vibes that people spread, when people love people, people try to give love to people. That's how the love spreads. So this is something that I said 4 days back in Chennai, but you're referring to that after 4 days in Mumbai. That means it's crossed states and boundaries, and that's why what we can do, the best thing that humans can do is just spread love and just wish good for others. Because the vibes do come true. Because not just as a friend, because after I saw the work that Sukumar sir and Bunny has done, I'm sorry, Allu Arjun, I'm calling Bunny, Allu Arjun has done, it's my pure love for them and feeling that they deserve that, But I said it with such a pure feeling and pure heart, that's why it reached you. So if you all also wish with the same pure kind of love for our film, it's going to be one of the biggest blockbusters in India, and maybe all these things will come true. Love is what matters. That's it.
Yes, he truly deserves
You're
it.
right, Allu.
I just want to ask you one question. Appreciation for all kinds of films. I have seen that, from the time I have been here, I've seen that we have welcomed all kinds of movies. And I'm not saying about us, I'm talking about the Indian audience. While I speak to you, there's a friend who's an RJ in Punjab who told me that, listen, please tell them that we are excited to watch the movie. I have a 9-year-old niece who told me when Sitima released that, it's Allu versus Sallu. I said, how did you know? So these are things, when you say that am I really, people love me that much? There is an insane amount of love maybe which you will get to see with this film. I want to know, do you see the changing shifts in the industries and the respect that is given to each other?
Let us speak, Kanachal.
I think there is an extreme, as in the last decade, I think we've seen such a shift in our cinema, in our field. I've just entered the industry in 4 years, but I've seen so much happening before I entered, and when I'm a part of Indian cinema now, and I can't be proud of it. I couldn't have entered a better time. I think this is the perfect time that I'm in the industry, because I see, like you said, the languages are, merging together. We're having pan-India releases. It's going to be, like Sir said, Indian films rather than South India film or, a Bollywood film. It's not going to do that anymore. In a couple of years, I think it's just going to be Indian cinema. Probably we're going to go globally, dubbing our film in their languages. So we just need to see the reach. I think we should always experiment with that. But I think it's fascinating and it's super, it's amazing to see all people just appreciate content now. People just want good content. People want good filmmaking, and when you give it, people appreciate it and they make it their own.
Big films, nonetheless, it will be very good for the audiences, they'll get to see big films.
Everything is solid, nothing of that stuff. Everything is going in a positive way all over. Cinemas, people have been coming back to the theatres, movies have been coming out, every languages has been opening up. Maybe except for Kerala, there's 100% occupancies in every place, and multiple. And the government is also supporting the films, and I'd like to thank all the governments from all over the country for supporting Indian cinema. Thank you so much.
Lastly, your question, you also turned producer. So, are you producing independently or will you be producing?
Ma'am, I'm a son of a producer, so I came in as I was born producer, then turned actor. My father is a producer, so it's producer. No, born producer turned actor maybe.
Hi, Allu sir.
Handsome,
Look at
why don't you do a romantic role also?
My previous film was a romantic.
Okay, coming back to the song, I was asked, the gestures that you did, reminded me of so much of Rajni sir, that small nuances. So will there be a comparison with the Thalaiva?
Ma'am, more than comparison, I'll say it's more of an influence because I was brought up from Chennai. So obviously I have a lot of subconscious absorption from big superstars like Rajni sir, like Kamal sir. That's why if you see him very perform. If you notice that, then I came to Hyderabad. Mr. Chiranjeevi is my own uncle. When I see him, he dances really well. And there are his nuances. So I think, subconsciously when you work, and as a child, when you grow up seeing these people, you absorb them and they're there subconsciously in your mind. Not that I very consciously want to do it. If it came across like that also, I don't have an issue. And I think maybe, you can say maybe it's a tribute for them, in a way. My respects for them in a way.
Name as far as Telugu is concerned and in the dubbed versions also in Hindi. Why don't you take up the step of acting in a original Hindi film and you composing for a Hindi film? And the second question is, Mr. Arvind, has he not come here? Earlier he used to come quite often to Bombay and I used to meet him.
Sir, Arvind Garu has been busy producing Bollywood films and he's not, I think I should call him and tell him, start making a film with your son also, he's also a reasonable actor. Good thing, sir, I tell Arvind Garu, there's your son who's also an actor in your house, please do make films with him, please take him to Bollywood, not just you simply make, being the first 100 crores film in Bollywood and now you're making so many multiple films in Bollywood. Please, there's also one guy in your house if you want to promote him, he's available.
And at the same time, Arvind uncle, what uncle? I'm also like your son only. You're making films all Bollywood heroes only in Bollywood. You're a hero and you're music director.
I'm also there.
She's already doing
पेड़ तो मैं भी बन सकता हूँ.
but at this point,
Tell Arvind that his friend Jyoti Venkatesh asked about it.
Uncle, your friend Jyoti Venkatesh Garu is very angry because you are not putting us in Bollywood.
Misses you a lot.
But on this note, I would also, with love, say that I am doing music for a couple of films, including Rohit Shetty sir's Circus with Ravi and all that. So I wish you give me the same kind of love. So wish me luck so that I do more of Bollywood.
I wish I could also give a news like this, but I don't have anything like that.
No, that's totally his decision. So he can give it anytime he wants.
And the grand finale question from there.
But on a serious note, sir, out here on your right, sir, up on your right. Would you like to work with him in any film? You belong to a family yourself.
Absolutely, sir. I cannot, with all humility, I cannot say that, I'm a very self-made actor. I have come from a certain background, and that definitely helped me to be whoever I am. How much part of it, really helped, and how much was my own can never be quantified. It's something that we can never quantify. I think it can go on forever. But I'm grateful for the background support that they've given. Thank you.
बस आ जाओ.
In one of your earlier interviews, you had mentioned that Hindi film filmography is very important.
Sorry, can you be a little loud?
You had mentioned earlier that a Hindi film in your filmography is very important for you. Has there been offers that you have considered, or probably now, like you said, the lines are blurring? Do you want to do a pure Bollywood film?
Absolutely. I love Hindi cinema. Somehow sometimes I use the word, but I don't like to use that word Bollywood as much as possible because it sounds like second to Hollywood and kisi se kam nahi. So I like to say it Hindi cinema. So even by habit, sometimes I say Bollywood, but I keep going as well. Say Hindi cinema. Hum kisi se kam nahi. Coming back to your question, I love Hindi cinema. I love Hindi music. I appreciate them so much. I definitely it'll be a great moment in my life to do a straight Hindi film, and it'll be a landmark point of my career, and I want to make the best choice possible. And to just answer what you said, there have been people who ask for films here and there, but nothing very exciting. Nothing very exciting. So I think slowly, we're having soft talks, and if we can do something, how's it to mount up something big? Because even the people who are coming, they are also saying that when we have to come to you, we have to come with something solid. So I think once everything falls into place, I think I will try to plan with maybe a little help of Allu and Dharu if he helps. Just joking. I think we'll try to come up with something big and make it memorable. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. For that.
Big handling with this Pushpa, which is coming on December 17th. And in my career, in my life, music plays a very huge part. And that whole music, I think I give for that biggest credit to my director, music director Shri Devshri Prasad, who's been the biggest music director in South India. Today he's playing Pushpa. He's given amazing music to Pushpa. Thank you so much, my dear baby darling. All my life you've been, all my career life you've been playing amazing music. You've given me chartbusters today. That Manish says, you've given, hundreds of people have received your music. There's so many millions of views on YouTube and stuff like that. A lot of big credit goes to you. Thank you so much. And take me more into the people with your music. Take me more into people's hearts with your music.
Thank you for all the love.
Sir, one question, sir. Thank you. I'm not done yet. Yeah, I'm not done yet. I'm sorry. And I'd like to thank my producers, Mythri Pictures and Mutham City Media for producing this movie with me. And I'd like to thank Manish Ji from Goldmines Films for not just about releasing Pushpa, but for, I think he's one of the pioneers in getting dubbing South movies into the North and making all South Indian. I'd like to, on behalf of not just Pushpa or me, on behalf of all the South Indians, for making us so popular all over the country. Thank you very much, Manish. Thank you for taking us into the heartland of North India. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. And also, thank you. And also, I'd like to thank Anil Ji for distributing this movie. And if I forget anybody else, please forgive me. And above all, thank you so much, my dear Rashmika. It was a pleasure working with you. You know, everybody calls her national crush. A lot of people who are calling her national crush. So I simply tease her on stage. I was like, oh, please come crush me. National crush. Rashmika, thank you so much. And I hope you all like, and we all are hoping that we touch your hearts with Pushpa. We're coming tomorrow, December 17th. Pushpa, Pushparaj. Thank you so much.
ఫ్యాన్స్ కోసం ఒక ఫోటో సెక్షన్
వెల్కమ్ టు సార్ ముంబైకి వచ్చినందుకు థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్
Thank you.
మీ అందరికి ఒకే
मुंबईలో अरे मुंबईలో తెలుగు क्या बात क्यों बोल रहा है
ముంబైలో బనియనా తక్కేదేలే
बोल
సార్
हिंदी ना నేనే మాట్లాడుతున్నాను
ओके सर మీరు అన్నారు కదా సార్ हार्डेस्ट सॉरी सर तो जो आपने बोला कि पुष्पा जो मूवी है बहुत हार्डली शूट हुआ है तो ऐसा जो एक पार्ट है जो इजीली शूट हुआ होगा आपके लिए सेम क्वेश्चन मैम के लिए एंड मी కోసం కూడా సార్ అంటే
easiest thing in this movie is తగ్గేదిలే
Thank you.